Hey everyone, it's Network Guru. Today I'll guide you through the process of changing your YouTube profile picture on your iPhone, Android or iPad. And let's dive right in. First, launch the YouTube app on your device. You will be directed to the home page where you will find various options at the bottom. Look for the U option and tap on it. Next, at the top of the screen, you will see your YouTube username. Tap on it and you will be taken to a new page. Here you will find a pencil icon next to your profile picture and tap on this icon. And now you will see options to take a photo or choose from your photos. Select Choose from your photos to open your device's photo gallery. Browse through your gallery and select the picture you want to set as your YouTube profile picture. You can also adjust the picture if needed. Once you are satisfied with your selection, tap on Save. Your YouTube channel profile picture will then be updated with a new image. And that's it, you are successfully changed your YouTube profile picture on your iPhone, Android or iPad. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching!